Welcome. In this video I will show you how to install Google Chrome browser on Lenovo V15. Of course, to download the Lenovo web browser you're gonna need to have an internet connection. So open your Microsoft Edge web browser and then search for Google Chrome in your web browser and find the official google.com website that says download Google Chrome. Oh, maybe this one. I was just searching for the different language version. Okay, so open the Google Chrome web browser, and here you'll have this large download Chrome button. Just tap on it and wait until the setup file is downloaded and run it. Click yes, and you can close your Edge browser and wait until the Google Chrome is downloaded and installed. And once your browser is installed, you can either sign in to your Google account by clicking sign in, or don't sign in, clicking the respective option. And if you want to set this browser as a default one, click right here. Otherwise, just skip. Scroll down. Then you can either turn on the Edge privacy feature or not turn it on by clicking no thanks. Scroll down, click got it, and now you're free to use your brand new Google Chrome web browser. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.